Hello and welcome back, beautiful people. Today, guess what is on the menu? Pad Krapao mo. Yes, mo is pork in Thailand. So we'll be stir frying this pork with holy basil. So stir fry means pad, holy basil means Krapao, mo means pork. So we'll be doing this. We have our mo, we have our Krapao, we have our chili here, we have our garlic, we have our sugar, and we got our eggs. Also, we have our fish sauce. We use oyster sauce. We'll be using black soy sauce. We'll be using vegetable oil. So let's prepare this together, folks. Please don't forget the button. Just click it for me. Thank you for doing that. Thank you. I'm so much happy you did that. Subscribe. Thank you and cheers. There goes in our chili. This is actually a spicy dish. Garlic, if you don't like garlic, if you don't like chili, you better prepare another meal. So pound these two together. This is just roughly pounded like this. And add some vegetable oil. Set our egg aside. So there goes in our chili paste. Allow this to sizzle out. Then goes in our pork. Rama it together. Coat it up with the paste. If it's too dry, you add up some water. So here I'll be adding my chili, my water. So now I will be adding in my sugar, I'll be adding in my oyster sauce, fish sauce, black soy sauce, and mix this together. Then goes in holy basil, adding my holy basil. Our stir-fried pork is ready to serve. Put up the heat and it's done.